This is W. Fifth Avenue.
Hello, everyone. The MTA is hiring. We're looking to hire talented individuals as bus operators, skilled tradespeople, and for positions in legal, labor, occupational health, and engineering technology fields. For more information on openings, events, to set up job alerts, visit careers.mta.org. Join the team that moves millions and apply to work for the MTA today.
This is Kew Gardens Union Turnpike. Transfer is available to the F train.
Transfer is available to the Q10 and Q80 buses to JFK Airport. This is an accessible station. The elevators are part of the platform.
This is a Jamaica Center bound E train. The next stop is Briarwood.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Briarwood.
Attention everyone. If you have questions or need to report an issue to the police, the NYPD is located at the station.
Transfer is available to the F train. Transfer is available to the Q44 Select Bus Service. This is a Jamaica Center bound E train. The next stop is Jamaica Van Wyck.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Jamaica Van Wyck.
Attention everyone, if you wish to connect to the JFK Air Train, you must stay on this train and get off at the Sutton Boulevard Archer Avenue JFK station. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
This is a Jamaica Center-bound East train. The next stop is Sutton Boulevard, Archer Avenue, JFK.